And this warning goes to Olu-Omo, Koko, Zaria, every one of them. I'm going to mention the ones I have now. But it goes to every agent that wants to truncate a peaceful rally by infiltrating our people. We will come after every one of you. We are not joking. My name is Olayomi Koiki. We are not joking. And it goes like this. This is the list of the Lagos State NERT executive members to hold responsible should anything go wrong in Lagos State, and they are already going to some other state. They are already sending some of their agents to some other state. Even àwọn tó fún lówó, in time ni pé àwọn tẹ́ fún lówó, àwọn ló tún sọ fún wa pé àwọn ti gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín o. Àwọn tí MC Olu-Omo ti fún lówó, wọ́n ti pe Koiki Media pé MC Olu-Omo ti kówó fáwọn o. But Lagos State kọ́ làwọn máa ti operate. Àwọn lọ sí another state. Gbogbo àwọn tí MC Olu-Omo ti fún lówó pátápátá. Gbogbo àwọn tí MC Olu-Omo ti fún ní owó pátápátá. We know each and every one of you. Every one of you. Every one of you will know. Owó tẹ́ fún wọn, wọ́n sọ èyí tó tẹ́ kó fún wọn. Èyí àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ń rán lọ, wọ́n ti sọ fún wa. But we will come after you as well. It's as simple as that. Because if you think you will be used, to truncate the movement that will save millions of lives and the next generation because of your own selfish interest, then you will go down as well. And I'm talking to MC Olu-Omo and the rest of the den. And this is the name. I can give you all the info on MC Olu-Omo's sons in London. I need that lead as quickly as we can. I'm just told now from somebody on YouTube that one of MC Olu-Omo's sons is in London. I need that information. Let's go straight into it. List of the Lagos State NURT executive members that we will hold responsible. If you think men you can learn violence, let it be violent. As of there are a lot of people that can also do the same thing that you are doing. And you can't think of all the tó bá rò pé wọ́n nìkan lọ́mọ ta, tó bá rò pé wọ́n nìkan ní òṣogùn, a sọ fún ẹ pé ọmọ Yorùbá kan náà ni gbogbo wa. Alhaji Musiliu Ayinde Akinsanya, also known as MC Olu-Omo, is the state chairman. Comrade Sulaiman Ojora is the state deputy chairman. Comrade Sulaiman Ojora. Comrade Ganiu Shitu is the state vice chairman. Comrade Ganiu Shitu is the state vice chairman. Comrade Ronswali Mukaila is the state vice chairman. Comrade Ronswali Mukaila is the state vice chairman. Comrade Kende Joseph is the state vice chairman. Comrade Joseph Kende Joseph is the state vice chairman. Comrade Usman Teslim is the state secretary. Comrade Usman Teslim is the state secretary. Comrade Yinka Azan is the state assistant secretary. Comrade Yinka Azan is the state assistant secretary. Comrade Adekunle Mustafa Sego is the state treasurer. Comrade Adekunle Mustafa Sego is the state treasurer. These are people that we will hold accountable on the day of the rally if anything goes wrong, because they have already collected money from their godfather known as Ahmed Bola Tinubu and the rest of the cohort. Let's continue. Comrade Moshood Omojowa, State Organizing Secretary. Comrade Ganiu Ayinde Zaria, State Deputy Treasurer. Comrade Ibrahim Yusuf is the State Financial Secretary. Comrade Ibrahim Yusuf is the State Financial Secretary. Comrade Sunday Ogunleye is the State Editor. Comrade Sunday Ogunleye, you are the State Auditor. Alhaji Muftar Ismail Aigoro, you are the State Assistant Auditor. Comrade Muftar Ismaila Agoro, you are the State Assistant Auditor. Alhaji Akim Tijani, you are the State Assistant Organizing Secretary. And I hope you are not the one organizing on behalf of MC Olu-Omo. Comrade Mrs. Omolabake Adelakun, you are the state treasurer. You are a woman, and you can see that you are also going to be held responsible and accountable on the day of the rally should anything happen to any one of our team that is going out for a peaceful rally. Kazeem H. Olanrewaju is the water state trustee. Kazeem H. Olanrewaju. Alhaji Wasiu Omole, you are the state trustee. Alhaji Wasiu Omole, you are the state trustee. Alhaji Muftar Mutiu, you are also the state trustee. Tolani aka Obama, Gbogbo Iyanopa, Siro, Ilupeju, Hakeem, No Case, Mushi, Taloskibo Oshodi, Gbogbo yin olórí burúkú orúkọ òṣì, orúkọ tó ṣàǹfààní kankan tẹ́ fún gbogbo ara yín. We will hold every one of you accountable. We are warning you all that the peaceful rally will go ahead. The peaceful rally will go ahead, but we will hold you all lot accountable should anything happen. We will press government petition on your children outside the location 9. Very good afternoon once again to those that have joined.